The shift array method removes the first array element and it shifts all other elements to a lower index. And also this shift method returns the element that was shifted out. You can say that it is opposite of the pop method. Let's see how this works in code. Consider an array of fruits. Now let's call the shift method on this array by saying fruits dot shift. Now let's console log the fruits array. As you can see, the first element, that is apple, was shifted or removed from this array. And also, as I said in the beginning, that this also returns the element that was shifted or removed. For example, we can store it in a variable. Let's define a variable x is equals to. After performing the shift operation on this array, it is going to store the element that was shifted out in the x. Now let's console log the x and check. As you can see, the value of x is apple, and that is the element that was shifted out by performing this shift operation. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.